Going after big tech, you could say, is jumping the shark. I mean, if Trump does this in a meaningful way, it is the Grand Cojones Award. You know, Ellen did his joke award in here for most banned person a few days ago on the anniversary of my deplatforming. But we should have an award with just big, giant, brass balls and give it to President Trump, if he does this. I mean, he already deserves it, but I mean, I'm talking a huge trophy made of real bronze you can't even pick up. Got to weigh like 500 pounds. Some giant kettlebells or something. Because, let me tell you, but here's the thing. Trump knows he's damned if he does, he's damned if he doesn't. There's no way to play games with this. The thing is, Chi-Com run with a bunch of foaming at the mouth leftists that bought their own propaganda that was meant to divide the country. The executives actually hate the country. Their emails have leaked. They actually smoked the dope. The Chi-Com and Globalist Tavistock Institute dope. By the way, there's more than one way to skin a cat. You know, the Tavistock Institute, I'm told, is having some big problems internally, and a lot of other things are happening with them right now.
There's multiple ways to skin a kangaroo.
You want to have a system to kill humanity and teach us not to have children and sterilize ourselves?
I know that makes more sense. Like, the logic is not there.
Well, there's more than one way to skin a cat.
No, bird. You skin a snake.
Pull feathers out of a goose.
No, see.
So, humanity is roaring back.
More ways.
Like a fire-breathing engine. And it's going to be very, very interesting. That's all I can tell you. Is that the fight's on. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And the Satanists thought while we slept like a dormant or sleeping volcano. They heard a few rumbles and they, oh, that was going to happen. Oh, that'll never wake up. Now they see smoke.
Lord Clark, I want to go walk it with you soon.
Red fire shooting up. They're going, oh, wow, is it time to evacuate? You see, because the thing about a volcano is it's a tidal, tectonic, titanous force. It's a force of nature. It's natural law. And we're going to explode politically on you, and all your intimidation isn't going to work. Like Castro, when he couldn't allow them to even say the sacrament of women killing babies for the Satanists, but even better is just getting men to sterilize themselves, because that stops babies too. So he said, don't let women have the purview of the sacrament of worship. Trans men that become women, men can have abortions. This is as an assault on reality, which is that's how you know it's Satan. When it's just a total up is down is up, black is white. There is no natural law. There is no common sense. There is no give and take. There is no tidal forces. It's all just one-way, mindless garbage. Rebelling against God's laws. That's Satanism. And so he said he wanted to intimidate people and let them know that we're coming after you. And that's what they're all saying. Oh, we got to get dirty. We got to show them. We got to scare them. Hayes and Donnie Deutsch and all of it. We ought to put a whole compilation together. This is the last month of the threats. You know, not just we're coming to your house, we're coming to your, don't want to eat their dinners. Hey, great, you yell at me, but when I eat my dinner, I come over and scream at you and get your ass thrown out. I don't leave when you get around me at Taco Deli or at a sub shop or at a restaurant or at a fried chicken place. I come and I get in your face and I yell at you. I'm done eating. You came over and threatened me 3 times. Then I come over to you because you're in the way, and then I may get you thrown out, see? Because I love it. I've let myself go. You think I care? You're coming over saying, F you, hope you die at my table? I was tired that day. I was exhausted. I was a little depressed. And man, I had so much energy after that. I went home with, had a great time. Because here's how it works. Now you leftists want to go to the restaurants, keep your mouth shut. Because you know it's not going to be some one-way deal where you chase me out of the building. I'm going to stand up to you. And if you lay hands on me, I'm going to punch you right in your throat like you've never been hit. You're in that hospital fighting for your life with that trait down your throat. Remember, there are some people that can tear people's heads off with their bare hands, and I'm one of them, scumbag. You want to fight, you little devil bastards? I'll show you a fight. I'll show you the
fight.
happening, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of good things are happening. And you can feel the energy in the universe, and you can feel Satan is absolutely enraged because he knows he's a loser. He's always been a loser, and he just wants to take as many children with him. That means simple minds as well. And it's up to